Favorite ko talaga tong empanada ni Sir Reden. Kaya umorder agad ako at binaon namin paghatid namin kay Harvey. Kaya lang nagkayayaan naman kami sa Starbucks. Ito nga pala yung order kong caramel macchiato. At kay Penpen, butterscotch. Naku, Daddy Jeff, mababash na naman tayo nito. Tinakaw mo na naman ng baby. Kaya ang ending, baon namin sa Starbucks ang Reden's empanada. Kahit hindi ako magsalita, kitang-kita naman kung bakit favorite ko to. Kaya tignan na lang natin kung anong masasabi ni Jed and Chin sa empanada.
Oh, it's a flavor.
Ham and cheese.
How did you know?
Show it to me. Show it to me.
Oh,
You bite some more.
Ayan, no?
look at that!
How about yours? How about yours? How about yours, Jin?
Mine's just ham.
No, it's ham and cheese.
What? What's the cheese?